Hello, Standard 9 students. This is the last chapter of our syllabus, and this is chapter 8 Basic Utilities in Ubuntu Linux, part 1. Students, this is the same PPT as we used in our live classes last week, but unfortunately, it is postponed now. So, the same PPT I'm using for this lesson, and it will really help for the students who couldn't get online. Now they will have the access of this lesson, and it might help them to complete their syllabus. So let us start. The main topics of this chapter we have are introduction, terminal, Nautilus a file browser, calculator, gedit a text editor. Not a rocket science, these things. Let me tell you in a single statement the facilities given by the operating systems that we are going to discuss. And these facilities, we call it technically utilities. And these are terminal, which is nothing but a GUI, it's a CLI. That is, you give command and the computer will respond. Nautilus, it is nothing but the interface of yourself with the computer, computing. Calculator, no need to speak anything. And gedit, it's nothing but a notepad. So here we go with the first slide, introduction. We are seeing Unix operating system. Linux is its variant. Linux has Ubuntu, and Ubuntu is the operating system. What is going on? Very simple. In 1970s, Unix operating system was developed. Students, it is completely free. And if you know how to operate it, how to modify it, you have the code, you can make your own, sell it, and you can also redistribute it. Same way, Linux came from Unix, and Ubuntu is one of the version of Linux variant. So that's the story. What we are going to do in this chapter, just as I have told, utilities. Utility means additional program along with operating system. Like when you purchase a car, the MP3, the music player, the AC and certain accessories are built in. They come along with it. You don't need to purchase. The same way, when you install any operating system, certain things are coming as a part of it, and this is what we call utilities, like calculator, terminal, music player, video player, etc. Next we have, this was something which I just took during live classes, just leave it. Terminal, in its basic sense, it means the end of something. When something finishes, we call it terminal. But in computing, it is a program, especially in Ubuntu operating system, to interact in CLI mode. CLI stands for command line interface. In computing, you can work two ways, GUI and CLI. GUI means you have the graphics like icons and buttons. While in CLI, you have to type commands in order to work with the computer. Terminal look like this. So it looks like this. You have a blank window with the username at the red system name written. Now what is username, system, and its discussion will go more regarding system. Just understand terminal is a program to give commands. To open it, you should go to applications, accessories and terminal, or you have the shortcut key Ctrl Alt plus T. This will be the answer of your first MCQ. There are 6 more students, and for the shortcut key is Ctrl Alt plus 1 will bring you first mode, Ctrl Alt plus 6 will bring you, it will bring 6th mode. Nothing difficult. Next we have, so when you open terminal gets ready for your command. So when you type anything and press enter, terminal executes the command. In order to exit, you should do either Ctrl D or type exit. Next we have Nautilus. Nautilus literally means a sea creature, but in computing, the developers of Ubuntu operating system gave the file browser name Nautilus. A file browser is a program that provides a user interface to manage files and folders, like going or coming out of folder, search, navigation bar, etc. is called file browser. In Windows, we have Windows File Explorer. It looks like this. You can see this image. In this image, you can see on the left side the navigation bar is there. When you click desktop, its items will be displayed on the right part, and you can see some of the options, previous and home, view and manage. So this is called interface, but technically you can see it is called window. So in Windows operating system, File Explorer looks like this. In Ubuntu operating system, it is called Nautilus. So Nautilus looks like this. You can see the same navigation bar like recent home documents, and when someone clicks on downloads, it looks like this. Whatever images included in downloads, it will show on the right part. Three views in Nautilus: icons. Each object is represented by icon. Icons may provide thumbnails. Actually, there are three views named icon, compact and list. This is a printing mistake, a typing mistake. So let me get it back. In compact, the objects are arranged in very small icon and arranged in vertical list. In list, objects are represented by a small icon and other details like file size, type and date. So there are three views in Nautilus. Calculator, I should not include this topic, but however, as a part of syllabus, I have to tell you, calculator is an application that solves mathematical equations. In Ubuntu, it looks like similar to its hardware counterpart. Programmers use for ASCII code. You have to use edit menu for that. For science and engineering students, there is scientific calculator which can be accessed using the view menu. Now gedit, text editor. To edit plain text, it is used to write programming codes. Microsoft has Notepad or WordPad. These are called text editor. But we are studying Ubuntu operating system. So in this system, we have the text editor called gedit. It is the default text editor. It emphasizes simplicity and ease of use with a clean and simple GUI. So students, I hope you understood these basic utilities. Just understand the basic concept, that's all. And the second part will be uploaded. Hello Standard 9 students. This is the last chapter of our syllabus.